heavily on the ground. Very hot here. Cut some callaloo, you know, we have some callaloo here. We'll cut some callaloo, so we have some right here as well. This is what I got out of the side. Not bad, but 3, 1, 2, 3 trees with them out. Not too bad. No, nice callaloo. Harvesting, guys. Look at the avocado tree, how big is that, guys? Real big. Trust me, look at that. It's real big now, guys. You have to give thanks, you know. Real big, guys. So, as you can see, I got some callaloo. Bunch of callaloo and sorrel harvesting. Yes. Lovely callaloo stuff. I've got sorrel down there, you know what I mean? Yes. Lovely. You guys look how big these coconuts are getting. came out the last one, so got some over here. And we got some over this side, bunch up. Yeah, but these are the biggest ones. Looking like coconut already. Yeah. Bees pollinating. Yeah, guys, got some eggs, got some caraloo on that side. Good little harvest, yeah. Harvesting. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. And guys, remember to check out the merch. You know what I mean? Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, you know, this is Daddy Starboy, you know. Yeah, he's eating his corn and thing, you know. Daddy Starboy. Yeah, he's a good rabbit, you know. Good rabbit. Very tame, man, you know. Hey guys, and this is Mommy Princess. Yes. What's up? Good girl. It's Mommy Princess, guys. I just love her fur. She got the softest, most prettiest furs ever. And she's well tamed. She eats her corns as well. You know? Fat and fluffy, guys. These are the babies around the next side, you know? This is sweet pea right now. Yeah, guys, this is sweet pea. Yeah. This is sweet pea. She should come for her rubs. She love her rubs, guys. Sweet pea, what you said already? She love her rubs, guys. Look at her eyes. She got blue eyes, you know? Very tame. This one very tame. She's a bit, you know. Yeah. She has no kids, and yeah, she has no kids, and I'm not breeding her, you know. Yeah. Sweet pea, man. No more rubs, sweet pea. You love too much rubs. You love too much rubs. You love too much rubs. Yeah, man, she's fat and fluffy too as well, you know? Fat and fluffy. Sweet pea, guys. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, and you already know this is Starboy and Princess Baby. Mm-hmm. Showed you in the video, earlier video. I just showed you them. Very beautiful rabbits, man. They're eating their corn as well, you know. Yeah, guys. And guys, I want you to go ahead and check out the merch. Check out my merch, alright? We got cups and we got shirts, unisex shirts. And we have some hoodie or pullover, as we call it, you know what I mean? Very reasonable price. Just check it out, the winter is coming. You know what I mean? Chances Mini Farm Homestead. Let's check out the merch, guys. You know what I mean? Check out the merch. Alright, stay tuned, I won't show you the ends.